Good morning, everyone. It's the weekend again, so I decided to do a couple more little projects on the A-liner. And one of the things I noticed in my last video that's quite a little bit annoying, but is that right there. So it's an actual wear mark from when the camper is folded up and wears into the surface, so it's almost like a fridge type paper, plasticky surface, but it's still not a nice look. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get rid of that, remove it without having to paint it. So I'm going to try and use a water-based foaming degreaser, Boston product, available at most Bunnings stores, fairly inexpensive, and yeah, it does work quite well on most surfaces, but do be careful on what you do apply it to. Maybe test a small area first. So yeah, so I'm just going to spray a little tiny bit on the areas. Whoa. Oh, look at that, it's actually working quite well. I'm actually amazed. I got rid of that. That's actually quite nice. Let's see the worst bit. Is that maybe I just move the pillow first and just give it a shake. Okay, let's have a look. Have a look. That area might need another little go over that. I'll put a bit more on it. Let that soak in a little bit. 6 years old now, so I guess somewhere in there is quite normal for it. A van this age, and honestly I'm still pretty impressed with how it held up all those years. I'm just going to do a little circular motion. Yeah, there it goes. Look, is it perfect? No, it's not. Is it good enough? 100% it is. So let's see now. How does that look? Oh, much better. Honestly, I think that's good enough. That is good enough. I can live with that. Another spot over here. Just let it soak in a little bit, and then I just use a circular motion again. And there you go. I'm actually quite pleased with that. I'm actually quite pleased. Well done. Worked well.